Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Sea of Thieves application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store from your iOS device. And then go to the search box and type in Sea of Thieves and search. Look for this application from RL Technology and then tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID or your Face ID and then wait for the application to download and install. Sea of Thieves is an action-adventure video game developed by Rare and published by Microsoft Studios. Users can take on a role of pirates in an open-world environment filled with islands, hidden treasures, and other players. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the Sea of Thieves application. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.